Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Brawl Stars and Discord connected, allowing you to share your gaming status with friends effortlessly. First, ensure you have both applications installed on your chosen device, whether that is a mobile phone or a personal computer. This integration creates a more connected gaming experience, letting your Discord community see your current game and even invite you to play. It is a fantastic way to blend your gaming and social worlds. Begin by opening your Discord application and accessing your user settings, found usually in the bottom left corner next to your username. Within these settings, find the Connections tab. This is where you will manage all external service links. Make sure your Discord account is verified through email or phone number for security purposes. This foundational step is crucial for establishing any successful third-party integration, including your favorite game. Now, launch Brawl Stars on your device and tap the 3 lines menu icon, typically located in the top right corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Within the game settings, search for an option like Connect to Discord or Integrations. Tapping this will usually open a browser window, asking you to authorize the connection with your Discord account, allowing both platforms to communicate. When the browser window appears, carefully review the permissions Discord requests and then grant them to proceed with the connection. It is important to confirm you are logged into the exact Discord account you intend to link, preventing any accidental misconnections. After authorization, check both your Discord connections and your Brawl Stars settings for confirmation messages. If the link does not show up right away, a quick restart of both applications can often resolve the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.